Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can update your Roblox in PC. Now just like in mobile phone you cannot go into App Store to update it. If you want to get the latest version of Roblox in your PC, to be honest your Roblox software should automatically update. But for some people it causes a problem and it doesn't. In that case what you need to do is first delete the current Roblox you have. In order to do that you need to go to Control Panel. Once you search for Control Panel and go inside Control Panel, click on uninstall a program. From over here you need to find Roblox. So scroll a bit down until you see Roblox. Once you see Roblox you want to click on Roblox just like this. Double click on it and it's going to be uninstalled. So it's still uninstalling for me, so let's wait for some time. Then after your Roblox is uninstalled, just you can go on the search icon again and go inside Microsoft Store. So just search for MICRO and just go inside Microsoft Store. And over here just search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, you can see Roblox, click on Roblox and just download it. And once it downloads, you're going to have the latest version of Roblox and you can start playing it. Click on install. So that's how you guys can update Roblox on PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.